today is a four-wheel alignment. We adjust all the toe adjustments to keep the tires from wearing unevenly. Well, if the car is not aligned and adjusted correctly, your tires will wear out prematurely. You'll have poor gas mileage because you're not going true with the car. You're not rolling down the street true. You're fighting the roads a little bit. It just sets everything up for the alignment so that you're on a flat surface. Basically, it kind of shoots out beams to the sensors, and then when you do the adjustment, it watches that, and then you can fine-tune your adjustments to the machine, and that's how you know. I came in for a maintenance alignment, and what I found is the front toe was out pretty much. And I did fine-tune the rear adjustments, which we were still okay, but I fine-tuned them, and then the fronts I adjusted them to their equal. I'm happy that the customer decided to come to Foundation Honda. We take pride in what we do. We want to make sure the car is taken care of, professionally. So.